Hello, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share another mini project from the original. So, this is the original. This is called the Jingle Bell Box with Mini Album. This is one of my collaboration projects with the design team member, Kimberly Jones. So, she designed this bell and all everything that you see here is by Kimberly Jones. She also did the mini version for you guys as well. Look at how cute this is. She did an acetate window. So for those of you who already purchased the Jingle Bell box and album, it comes in one, right? I already showed you a video demonstrating the mini album here or showing you the mini album and this box. So now I'm going to show you this beauty. So if you picked up this tutorial, you also get the mini. The mini will be uploaded, the cutting guide for the mini and the SVG files for the mini will be uploaded to your project folder. If you haven't purchased it yet, you've been on the fence, then now's the time. You get both of these with one purchase. So you get the mini bell and the mini. So look at how adorable this is. If you're wondering what paper collection this is my 2020 Christmas collection titled A Very Merry Christmas. And it's gorgeous, guys. It really is beautiful. And listen. You hear the jingle bells? They're actually in the box. All right, so look at how cute. You can also do the acetate insert window in the large bell if you want to. All right, so I'm not going to show you this bell because I already showed you this one, but I'm going to show you this beauty. All right, so you open it up and you have a fabulous, look at how beautiful that is inside. Gorgeous. You have a fabulous album. You hear the bells? They're so cute. A super cute little mini album inside. It's really, really sweet, guys. Look at that, how cute. If you're wondering, this little mini, it's 6.5 roughly. All right, it's not exactly by 4.25. So you can fit really nice size photos in here. Okay, so it's identical to the one that she made in the original project, except that it's smaller. All right, so you've got your pocket here for goodies. She used the flap closures. You can find these in my shop. She used the clear ones. When you get these in my shop, you get clear ones and black ones. You've got a side loading pocket. Look at this paper. Look at this paper. How beautiful. So the album is absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh. This is going to be my countdown sale. All right. I'm going to do videos every day letting you know how many shopping days you have left. All right. Before my sale is over. This is my annual sale. You get 65% off of these projects. And it's over December 26th, and today is December 11th. So you do the math on how many shopping days you have left. So once you purchase, enter this code, and you get 65% off your purchase. Okay? All right, so check out this gorgeous baby. Love. So, oh, this accordion. This is an accordion fold here. How fabulous is that? Fun pocket card. Beautiful jingle all the way. This paper is just gorgeous, guys. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this fabulous little number here. What you think about the paper, just everything. It's so beautiful. Kimberly, you did such a beautiful job on this project. And thank you so very much for giving us the mini version as well with that one purchase. So that's really, really fabulous. That makes me so happy to be able to offer that to you guys. All right, so you get a twofer. A lot of my purchases are twofers, so look out for that. Okay, look at how cute. So lots and lots of room for photographs here, guys. So just because it's small doesn't mean that you cannot get a good amount of pictures in here, because you absolutely can, as you can see. There is the opportunity for cropping your photos because this is a smaller album, but still you can get a pretty good sized photo here. And then we've got an envelope. It just repeats itself. Top loading pocket here. And I suppose this is the accordion fold. Okay, look at that. How gorgeous that paper is. Beautiful. Look at that. It's so happy, this Christmas paper. I wanted to give you guys something bright for Christmas paper. Not too vintagey, but still have some elegance to it, not too kitty, just right smack in the middle. And I think we did a good job with this one. I hope you love it. This is the Jingle Bell album and box. Oh my God, it's so adorable. I can't take it. The album with the bell box. And remember, when you make your purchase, you get the mini and you get the large box with the larger album inside. Let me show you the difference in album size here. My hands are super dry today, so I'm afraid of paper cuts and putting my hands in things. So excuse me for doing that. Look at this, how beautiful. Look at that. And by the way, this paper collection is my 2019 Christmas collection. This one is titled Merry and Bright. If you're interested in this one, you can pick it up in the digital version. All right, so that's all I got for you, my friends. I will see you in the next video. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. And until next time, jingle bells.